Subscribe to my channel Happy Pink Studio and then tap on the bell button to get notified every time I upload my video. Thank you.
हाय गाइस एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल हैप्पी पिंक स्टूडियो। आप सबका मेरे चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। Well, today's video is about how you can make lip balms at home. This is my first DIY video and I'm so excited about it. I'm very fond of lip balms. I'm someone who loves lip balms and I have so many I can't tell you. Because I use lip balms quite often, I just have to keep hydrating my lips always. But then I was thinking, all the lip balms, whether they are from good brands or not, they will all have chemicals. So I thought, why not I do something at home? So I made lip balms at home, 2 of them. So I thought I must also share it with you because this lip balm is made with natural ingredients. It has no chemicals and it can be used for all ages, for your babies, for your teenagers, adults. It can be used for all ages. And it can be made very easily at home. I thought I must share it because I have made it many times and I have used it and this will give you a very good result. This lip balm, what I'm showing you, will actually make your lips really hydrated. It will really moisturize your lips well and it will make it pink because it has those ingredients in it. The first one especially because it's made with beetroot. I hope you really find this useful and you'll try it at home. So let's head towards the video. So for the first lip balm I need 3 ingredients, that is beetroot, coconut and olive oil. Now I'll tell you why I've chosen these 3 ingredients.
Beetroot acts as a natural reddish stain which gives a rosy color to your pretty pout. It will remove all dead skin and dark stains and will make your lips really soft. Coconut has minerals in it which adds plenty of moisture to your lips without making it dry. It will lock the moisture in the skin which will make the lips really soft and supple. It contains antibacterial and antifungal properties which deals with any bacterial growth, and it has SPF of 3 which will really protect you against the sun. Olive oil helps to condition and protect lips from drying out or becoming chapped.
Now let's see how you can make this. I'm taking a beetroot and I'm going to peel the skin. Now I'm going to grate this. Now in a bowl, I'm going to take this and I'm going to squeeze the water. In this, I'm going to put just half a teaspoon of coconut oil and half a teaspoon of olive oil. Now I'm going to mix this. I mix it for good 30 seconds. And then after taking a container, I'm going to pour this into that. So I'm going to refrigerate this for 3 to 4 hours. This is how it looks after 3 to 4 hours. The beetroot lip balm is really pigmented. It's so pigmented I can't tell you. I mean, just look at it. It's so pigmented. I'm going to put it on my lips and show you. I don't have a mirror. I hope I have put it properly. So it's very pigmented. You can put it for your kids, any age. I mean, any age, because it has no side effects as it's used by natural ingredients, beetroot, coconut oil and olive oil. All the 3 are the best. So go for it, guys. Just try it at home. It's very easy to make and just keep it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours and use it. You can keep it for 2 weeks to 3 weeks. I have kept it. I've actually used it up to 4 weeks also, but I think 3 weeks is more than enough, and then you can make it again after 3 weeks. It's much better than buying a lip balm from outside, and also it has no chemicals, so completely safe. So please try it at home and also do tell me, okay, whether you really liked it or not. Now for the second lip balm, this I have made especially for people who love chocolate lip balms, who are addicted to chocolate lip balms. So this is mainly for them. For the second lip balm, what we need need cocoa powder, petroleum jelly and honey. Now let's see why I have chosen these three.
Cocoa powder prevents lips from dryness and peeling. It helps chapped lips. Vaseline petroleum jelly forms a protective layer on the lips and penetrates deep down to rehydrate the skin. It is a fantastic moisturizer and protects lips from drying out. It also helps to protect lips from effects of sun, wind, indoor heating and other common triggers of dry lips. Honey helps to lighten dark lips. It is rich with bleaching agents that generally removes the darkness of the lip skin. Honey gets into the skin and makes the lips soft, smooth, hydrated and supple.
This is also completely good because it gives a very nice finish. It just makes your lips really smooth and it smells chocolate. I even felt like eating it. So let's just look at it how we can make this. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 small spoon of petroleum jelly. Half spoon of cocoa powder. And 1 good spoon of honey. I think I'm going to put half spoon more. And now I'm going to mix it. So this is the consistency you need to get and you will get it in 10-20 seconds. It smells chocolate. Here's the container what I'm going to use. This is easily available in the market. And now I'm going to put all this into this container. And this is how it will look after I have poured it into this container. Very smooth and smells completely chocolate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Now this particular lip balm you can actually store it for 4 to 5 weeks. It will not get spoiled. It's really nice. It actually hydrates your lip really well. So I'm going to show you. This smells chocolate. It has a glossy finish. I don't have a mirror. It's so smooth, guys. It's so smooth. Don't go for chemicals. You can actually make this at home and use it. It's very easy to make and you do not have to spend a lot of money also and a lot of time also. Believe me, it takes no time to make this. So I hope this video was useful. This was my first DIY. If I've done any mistake, I'm sorry. I'm learning, but I really enjoyed making it and I hope you also enjoy making it. If you want a good result for your lips, then try putting this lip balms before you sleep and it will really give good results in 7 days. Believe me, I have tried and tested it. If you like what you've seen, then please give it a thumbs up and support me, and please do not forget